guys, welcome to Place and Days, and in this short video we will show our trip in Cebu. The first night we stay at Jpark Island Resort. We are here for AMPA's Philippines Mathematics competition. The resort offers many facilities and also a big water park. The resort offers many styles of restaurants: Western, Korean, and they serve a decent breakfast. If you are in the mood for dessert, they also have a bingsu cafe. And this is our room. We booked it through Klook application and we got it upgraded to a suite.
The next day.
After the exam, it took 5 hours with the traffic jam from Cebu City to Oslob. We stayed at GT Seaside and we booked a package to see the whaleshark and Tumalog Waterfall with them. We left the hotel at 5 a.m. to get the queue to see the whale sharks. And it's worth getting up early because you can swim with them this close. A short journey on a motorcycle to see a wonderful waterfall. There got a few talented cameramen that will help you on this shot for your social media.
A few moments later.
Coming back to Cebu City to join the award ceremony.
Thailand. Philippines.
And Ampan never lets us down. He won the champion of Family 5. And also the star of the world, which means the highest score in Thailand.
Are you filming me? Excuse me, but I do not tolerate that. Please take this out.